Hey guys, welcome back. This is 𝗖𝗏𝗙𝗙𝗀𝗀 with another tutorial on Kerio Control UTM configuration series. In this video, I will be covering the advanced options and their configuration menu. Let's start. First of all, open your laptop's web browser. Log into the Kerio Control administration panel. Under configuration, select advanced option menu. In the advanced option, the first tab is system configuration. Under system settings, you can see the name of your firewall, and you can force your VPN clients to use the hostname. If you check this option, all your VPN clients will be using the hostname control. Under date and time settings, you can change the current date and time. To change the date and time, click the change button, select the date and select the time. Click the OK button. It will give you a pop-up that server date and time have been changed. Click the OK button. If you have an NTP server, you can keep synchronize your Kerio Control firewall with the NTP server. But if you don't have an NTP server, by default, Kerio Control have already defined few NTP servers in here. In the time zone settings, you can change your Kerio Control's time zone. I am living in Afghanistan, so I will change the time zone to Kabul. After you have selected the time zone, click on the Apply button to save the changes. The next tab is Web Interface. Under Web Interface, the first option you can see is Force SSL Secured Connection. By default, this option will be enabled, and it is recommended that you force all of your clients to use SSL connection. You can also use a specific hostname to access the Kerio Control's administration panel and Kerio Control's statistic page. If you don't select a specific hostname, you can access the Kerio Control with this IP address. Web interface will be accessible with this IP address, and administration console will be accessible with this IP address /admin. If you want to specify a hostname, check this option and type the hostname in here. After you have specified the hostname, the URL for web interface and the URL for administration panel will be changed automatically. Under SSL certificate, you need to specify a certificate for web interface. Whenever your clients send requests to web, they will be using this certificate. By default, Kerio Control will assign a certificate. If you want to change the default certificate, click on the Edit button, select your certificate, and click on the Apply button. The certificate will be changed. Point to be noted that you will be logged out of the Kerio Control and you need to log in again to the Kerio Control administration panel so that the changes to take effect. Otherwise, Kerio Control will revert the changes after 10 minutes. If you want to customize the login page of Kerio Control for both administration panel and for web interface, check this option. Provide a page title and select a PNG. Point to be noted that the recommended size logo is 300 pixel wide and 60 pixel high. Click the Apply button to save the changes. The next tab under Advanced Options menu is Software Update. Using this menu, you can update your Kerio Control's software. Under Software Update setting, you can see that the periodically check for new versions is automatically checked. Kerio Control will try to check for updates automatically. If you have checked this option, Kerio Control will download and upgrade the new versions only in the time range of upgrade window. If you want to see what is the timing of upgrade window, go to the time range under Configuration. Here you can see that upgrade window is from Friday to Saturday, and the timing is from Friday 23 o'clock to Saturday 1 o'clock. Let's head back to the advanced options. If you want to manually check for update, click on the Check Now button and Kerio Control will check for updates. If you check this option, Kerio Control will also be able to check for beta versions and install the updates. This option is used to send anonymous usage statistics to Kerio Technologies, which will help Kerio Technologies to make Kerio Control even better. If you have downloaded an update for your Kerio Control, you can manually upgrade it by uploading the binary image file. Click on the Select File button and select your file. And that's all for today. I will catch you very soon with another video. Till then, have a nice time.